Hey there, today we are diving deep into Social Media Pro to see what it can do. Social Media Pro is a Google Sheets automation tool designed to streamline your social media content creation. It leverages AI to generate engaging content based on your specifications and marketing framework. So, this is the main dashboard of the Social Post Pro. Here on top in the menu bar, you will find this button by which you can generate social posts, by which you can bulk generate posts. There are a lot of options that you can use, like generate framework, and there would be a settings menu to configure the API and view the settings, a tool menu to clear data and do other stuff, and the help section for a quick start guide, documentation, troubleshooting, and to get any help if you need it. So, first we will be configuring the API. For this, you can go into the settings subsheet. Here, we will be adding our Open Router API key. So I already have my Open Router API key right here, which I will be pasting. For this, you can go to the Open Router API key and you can simply get your key from there. Here again, we will be choosing our model for content generation. So I would be choosing one of these models. There are a lot of models for you to choose from. There are a lot of other settings that you can change in here, like the language, the max tokens, the randomness of the content, and things like that. Now we would be going to the third subsheet, which is the post templates. So this is where basically you can change the template content, the post type, variables, and things like that. You can also select what platform you want to create these templates for. This is the fourth and one of the main subsheets where we would simply be generating the content. So for the platform, let's say I want to choose LinkedIn. Now for the post type, I would be choosing article right here. So let's click on article, and this time it is going to use a template from there. So I would simply type in a topic here. So let's say we choose email marketing. Then we go to the menu, we click on generate content. This is going to ask us for the authorization. We are going to authorize this to use our account. Just click on advanced and click on continue. Then click on continue again. Then click on allow, and basically we can run those scripts now. So again, let's just wait for this. So right now the status is in queue. This is going to get completed very soon and we would find our generated content right here. So as you can see, within seconds, it has generated this content for us along with the tags and everything that we can directly post to LinkedIn. This is a really good high quality post that you can simply post to LinkedIn directly. This time I have added in three topics here. For the platform Facebook, let's create three posts with the post type of engagement. So this is going to create these engagement post types for us. Now again we are going to go to the menu and we are going to click on generate. This is going to start these. As you can see, the status has already updated. It is in queue right now, and very soon it will give us a generated content piece that is a high quality piece which you can directly post to Facebook. So as you can see, this has generated one of these for us. The second one is generated as well. And this is a really fast piece of software that you can use for generating such social posts. Now we would simply go to the tool section again. In the tool section, I would clear this data so that we can start using it again. This is going to ask us for permission again, and as you can see, all of it is cleared. So now let's go to the post templates again. Here you can again create post templates for multiple of these social media platforms. I have the sheet right here. So this is basically a template content that I have created for event announcements. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste this here. So this would be for Facebook event announcements, and I would be making it text only. And as you can see, we have written in a few things here, which it would be using as a template. Now we would be going to the content creation subsheet. Here in the platform, we would be using Facebook. In the post type, we would be using event announcement, which would come down here as template event announcement. Now we would simply go in here, we would type in a topic or an idea. So let's say we name this something like Sam Wedding. And now we can start generating a content around this template that we have just given it. So let's click on generate, wait for it to be in the queue. Let's wait for this to generate the content for us. And as you can see, it has generated the content for us, and it has used all of the content that we gave it, and it has updated the name as well. We can add in the date, time, location, and just like that we have Sam's name everywhere, and it has generated this content for us. Now let's generate this content for a lot of such options. So here with Sam Wedding, we are going to add in Will Wedding. Then we are going to add some other random names and we are going to see how it works. So I've added Neha Wedding, Sam Wedding, Bill Wedding, and I'm just going to copy these three and duplicate them right below. So we are just going to generate data for all of these. And I'm just going to copy these, paste these here, copy this, paste this here. Now let's clear the status. I added it by mistake. Let's click on generate social posts and it is going to run the script for us. So right now it is generating the content for Bill Wedding based on the template that we gave it. And as you can see, it has generated this for us as well. And this time it has Bill's name here. And you can simply add the date, name, partner name, and things like that. And as you can see, this is a really fast tool which you can use for yourself. Now let me show you another use case for this. So for this, we will be going into the settings subsheet and we would be using this use case option. Here you can add in a description or a keyword that it would use as the base for all of the prompts or templates that we give it. So I'm using Lemlist email marketing tool for example. Now we would simply go into the menu bar. We would click on Social Media Pro and we would be simply going into marketing frameworks and generating a marketing framework around it. So it is going to run the script. It may take a few seconds for it to do all of its work. And as you can see, it would give us a success option right here. So basically, it has generated the script for us. We can also preview this. So this is going to give us a preview of what it would be doing for us. Let's wait for it to load. And as you can see, the base prompt now is share how Limlist can transform your email marketing. So now we would be using it and we would simply be applying this. So once this is applied, you can see success right here. We would now be using this. So as you can see, it has updated the base prompt for us. It has updated additional context for us. It has updated marketing angles and things like that for us. So now we would simply be using all of this data to generate content based around Limlist for email marketing. So now let's go to content creation. Now I won't have to add any topic or idea. So I'm going to select platform Twitter. Let's do a text only here. In this, let's do Facebook. And this time again, let's use text only. This time, let's use something else. Let's use Reddit and let's use text only. So Quora as well. You can add in a lot of things here. So I would be adding article. Then let's do for threads as well. Threads would be again, let's do something else this time. So let's do a link share. And we can use a whole lot of these things and we can generate posts or articles around these. So I have added a lot of things here and now I'm simply going to click on bulk generate posts. And this time it won't ask us for any topic or idea and it would start generating these content based around the keyword that we gave it in the settings. So as you can see, this has limlist in it. So it is basically using limlist as the base template for all of these content creation that it is doing. Again, this is our dashboard. Here you can see what platforms we have used, what is the status, what is the success rate, how many templates do we have at the moment, the platforms, the posts that we have had on these, the API status and things like that.